Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7 chapter 5 triangles exercise 5.3. Before going to the exercise, let us see first exterior angle property. See the statement, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. Given in triangle PQR, angle PRS is an exterior angle and angle P and angle Q are interior angles. We have to prove angle PRS is equal to angle P plus angle Q. Construction. Through point R, we have drawn RT parallel to PQ. Now let us see the proof. See from the figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, that is equation 1. Angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Why? Because both are alternative angles. See now, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because these both are corresponding angles and this is equation 2. On adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2, that equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 2 means angle P plus angle Q, that equals to angle 3 plus angle 4 means angle PRS. So we have written angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle Q. From this we can say that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. See now example 7, in the triangle ABC, exterior angle is at angle C, that is 105 degrees, and angle A is equal to 65 degrees. Find the other interior opposite angle. Let us see the solution. Given that exterior angle is at angle C, that equals to 105 degrees. One of the interior opposite angle is at angle A, that equals to 65 degrees. Now we have to find the other interior opposite angle, that is angle B. So we have written angle A plus angle B, that equals to 105 degrees. Since exterior angle property, that is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 105 degrees. That implies angle A means 65 degrees plus angle B, that equals to 105 degrees. That implies angle B equals to 105 degrees plus 65 on transposing, it becomes minus 65. Therefore, angle B equals to 105 minus 65, that is 40 degrees. Therefore, angle B equals to 40 degrees, that is other interior opposite angle is 40 degrees. See now example 8, find the exterior angle of the given triangle. Let us see the solution from the figure. Angle P is equal to 30 degrees, angle Q equals to 35 degrees. Exterior angle is at angle R. So that equals to angle P plus angle Q, since exterior angle property. That equals to angle P 30 degrees plus angle Q 35 degrees, that equals to 65 degrees. Therefore, exterior angle, that is angle R, that equals to 65 degrees. See now, check your progress. Find the value of x in the given figure. Let us see the solution. In the given figure, angle HAC is equal to angle TAE. Why? Because both are vertically opposite angles. We have taken angle HAC is equal to angle TAE is equal to small a. Now let us take this triangle AHC. Sum of the interior angles in a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle H plus angle C plus angle A equals to 180 degrees. Here angle A can be taken as angle HAC. So angle H plus angle C plus angle HAC is equal to 180 degrees. That implies from the figure, angle H is 60 degrees plus angle C is 80 degrees plus angle HAC denoted with small a. So written here small a, that equals to 180 degrees. 60 degrees plus 80 degrees, that is 140 degrees plus small a, that equals to 180 degrees. That implies a equal to plus 140, on transposing it becomes minus 140. That implies a equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, that equals to 40 degrees. Therefore, angle HAC, that equals to angle TAE, that equals to small a, that equals to 40 degrees. Now let us take another triangle, that is TAE. We know that sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we have taken angle T plus angle E plus angle A can be written as angle TAE. So we have written angle T plus angle TAE plus angle E that equals to 180 degrees. From the figure, angle T means X, angle TAE means small a, plus angle E means 70 degrees that equals to 180 degrees. That implies X plus small a we got here 40 degrees plus 70 degrees that equals to 180 degrees. That implies X plus 40 degrees plus 70 degrees that is 110 degrees that equals to 180 degrees. That implies X equal to plus 110 on transposing it becomes minus 110. That implies X equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees that is 70 degrees. Therefore X value is 70 degrees. See now exercise 5.3 first sum. Write the exterior angles of triangle XYZ. Let us see the solution. Exterior angles of triangle XYZ are angle PXY, angle XZR and angle ZYQ. Exterior angle of angle X is angle PXY. Exterior angle of Y is angle ZYQ. Exterior angle of Z is angle XZR. See now question number 2. Find the exterior angles in each of the following triangles. See now question number A. From the figure, angle A is equal to 60 degrees, angle B equals to 73 degrees. Here exterior angle is at angle C. We know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B, that equals to angle A 60 degrees plus angle B is 73 degrees. So sum of these two is 133 degrees. Therefore angle C, that is exterior angle, is 133 degrees. See now second question B sum. Here in this figure, angle E is 30 degrees and angle D is right angle, that is 90 degrees. Exterior angle is at F. Let us see the solution. From the figure, angle D is 90 degrees, angle E is 30 degrees. We know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Here exterior angle is at angle F. Therefore angle F equals to angle D plus angle E, that equals to angle D 90 degrees, angle E 30 degrees. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, that is 120 degrees. Therefore exterior angle F is equal to 120 degrees. See now third question. Find the value of X in the following figures. See question number A. From the figure, angle A is equal to 35 degrees, angle B equals to X and exterior angle is at C, that is equal to 70 degrees. By exterior angle property, angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. That implies angle C equal to 70 degrees, that equals to angle A means 35 degrees plus angle B means X. That implies plus 35 degrees on transposing it becomes minus 35. So 70 degrees minus 35 degrees, that equals to X. That implies X value is equal to 35 degrees. Therefore X value is 35 degrees. See now third question B sum. From the figure, angle P is equal to 4x, angle Q equals to 3x and exterior angle is at R, that is 119 degrees. By exterior angle property, we know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. By that angle R is equal to angle P plus angle Q. Angle R means 119 degrees. That implies angle P means 4x plus angle Q 3x, that equals to 119 degrees. 4x plus 3x, that is 7x equal to 119 degrees. That implies x equal to, here 7 is going to multiply, on transposing it is divided by, so x equal to 119 degrees by 7, that equals to 7 table 17 times 119. Therefore x value is 17 degrees. See now question number 4. If the exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degrees and its interior opposite angles are x degrees and x plus 10 degrees, then find the value of x. Let us see the solution. Given interior opposite angles are x degrees and x plus 10 degrees, exterior angle is equal to 110 degrees. We know by exterior angle property, exterior angle in a triangle is sum of its interior opposite angles. So by that property, sum of interior opposite angles, that is x degrees plus x plus 10 degrees, that equals to exterior angle, that is 110 degrees. That implies x plus x, that is 2x plus 10 degrees, that equals to 110 degrees. That implies 2x equal to plus 10, on transposing it becomes minus 10. That implies 2x equal to 110 minus 10, that is 100 degrees. That implies here 2 is going to multiply, on transposing it becomes divided by. So x equal to 100 by 2, that equals to 50 degrees. Therefore x value is 50 degrees. See now question number 5. Find the values of x and y in each of the following figures. Observe this figure. Here angle A is equal to 40 degrees, angle B equals to 60 degrees, and its exterior angle is at C, that is x. See, there is another triangle D equals to 45 degrees and its exterior angle is at E, that is y. Let us see the solution from the figure. Angle A 40 degrees, angle B 60 degrees, angle D is 45 degrees. Exterior angle at C, that is equal to x degrees. Exterior angle is at E, that equals to y. By exterior angle property, we know that exterior angles in a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Here exterior angle at C, that equals to angle A plus angle B. Angle C means x, that equals to angle A means 40 degrees plus angle B means 60 degrees. That implies x equal to 40 plus 60, that is 100 degrees. Now exterior angle is at E, that equals to angle C plus angle D. That implies angle E means y, that equals to angle C means x plus angle D equals to 45. That implies y equals to x value we got here 100 degrees plus 45 degrees. That implies y equal to 100 plus 45, that is 145 degrees. Therefore x value is 100 degrees and y value is 145 degrees. See now fifth question B sum. See the solution from the figure. Angle M is equal to y, angle N is equal to 70 degrees. Exterior angle at M, that is equal to x degrees. Exterior angle at L, that equals to 120 degrees. We know by exterior angle property, exterior angle in a triangle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. See exterior angle at L, that equals to angle M plus angle N, that equals to angle L value is 120 degrees. That implies angle M means y plus angle N means 70 degrees, that equals to 120 degrees. That implies y equals to plus 70, on transposing it becomes minus 70. That implies y equals to 120 minus 70, that is 50 degrees. Therefore y value is here 50 degrees. From the figure, angle QLN plus angle MLN equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because those two angles form a linear pair. Angle QLN means 120 degrees plus angle MLN, that equals to 180 degrees. That implies angle MLN, that equals to plus 120 degrees, on transposing it becomes minus 120 degrees. That implies angle MLN, that equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Angle MLN, that is nothing but angle L, that equals to 60 degrees. Now exterior angle at M, that equals to angle L plus angle N. Angle M means here x degrees. So x equal to angle M we got 60 degrees plus angle N 70 degrees. That equals to 60 plus 70, that is 130 degrees. Therefore x value is 130 degrees and y value is 50 degrees. Today we have seen chapter 5 triangles exercise 5.3 all sums. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.